Hello together. In this video I want to show you 3 different methods how to make a screenshot on your POCO X4 GT. The screenshots work within almost every app, so it doesn't matter if you want to do it from the home screen, from the settings, or in Chrome, or from your phone, or it doesn't matter, okay? But it can be that some screenshots don't really work. This can be screenshots from movies, Netflix, or so on, where the digital rights management just says no screenshots allowed, okay? But in most cases, your screenshots will work. So the first method to make a screenshot is to take the three fingers and just swipe down. And you can see here, then you will see a small miniature of this screenshot, and then it will disappear after some seconds. Okay, now it's gone, okay? But it's not really gone. You can go to your gallery. And when you're in your gallery, you can see here is my screenshot, and I can edit the screenshot, and I can just crop it, and I can just write something in it, and I can do anything I want to do. So I can doodle a little bit and so on and so forth. So really great. And here is my screenshot, and that's the first option you can use when making a screenshot. The second one is to get to the top right corner and swipe down, and you can look here. Okay, here is the button screenshot. So I can take a screenshot here too, okay? The same thing. Let's go to the settings, make a screenshot here, and then you can make your screenshot. So again, our screenshot will be available here. Here we can see the screenshot I have just taken. The third option you can use is to press the power off on button and the volume down button at the same time. Check. And then you can see the screenshot always has been made, and it will disappear after some seconds. And again, you will find this here in your gallery, and you can see all the screenshots that you have here. When you have edited them, you can save them as new images, or just delete the old image, and you can do whatever you want to do. Yes, these were the 3 options how to make a screenshot on the POCO X4 GT. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.